DIY Halloween costumes from your wardrobe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Halloween is right around the corner. You know what that means? Costume freakout time. But don't stress, because this year, we're ditching the expensive, itchy, and basic costumes. We're getting creative and raiding our closets for some killer DIY looks. That's right, Halloween costumes you can make with stuff you already own. Get ready to be amazed by your wardrobe. Let's get spooky. First up, the classic witch costume, but make it fashion. Start with a black dress, the one you wear on date night. Perfect. Top it off with a wide-brimmed black hat. For shoes, black ankle boots, obviously. Now let's talk accessories. A choker is a must-have. Stack up the rings. We want your hands to look like they could cast some serious spells. And of course, no witch is complete without her trusty broomstick. For makeup, go for dark and smoky. Think sultry eyeshadow and a deep dark lipstick. And don't forget your nails. Black nail polish is a must. And there you have it, the chic witch, ready to cast a spell on everyone at the party. Next up, a modern-day vampire. Start with black pants or leggings and pair them with a dark blouse or button-up shirt. Add a long dark coat or blazer for that dramatic entrance. Sunglasses are a must-have for this look. A choker or pendant necklace adds elegance, and don't forget the rings. For makeup, go for a pale, flawless complexion and a bold lip. Add a few drops of fake blood around your mouth for extra drama. And there you have it, the modern-day vampire ready to slay the night away. You're welcome. For costume number 3, we're keeping it simple and stylish. The classic cat costume. Start with black leggings and a black top or bodysuit. Now, for the fun part, the ears. A cat ear headband is essential. For makeup, go for a simple cat eye with black eyeliner and draw on some cute whiskers. A tail is a fun addition, but not necessary. For shoes, black flats or heels are always a good choice. And there you have it, the cool cat, ready to prowl the night away. Meow, you're welcome. Chapter 4, Boho, Fortune Teller. Tap into your spiritual side with this boho fortune teller look. Start with a flowy dress or a maxi skirt. Layer on a loose top, maybe a kimono or a crochet vest. Pile on the jewelry. Rings, bracelets, necklaces, the more the merrier. Don't forget a scarf or a head wrap, it adds a touch of mystery. For makeup, go for earthy tones, shimmery eyeshadow, and a little bit of glitter. And there you have it, the boho fortune teller ready to predict your future and steal the show. You're welcome. Chapter 5, 80s Pop Icon. Rewind the clock and crank up the tunes with this 80s pop icon look. Start with bright leggings. Think neon pink, electric blue, or animal print. Pair those with an oversized graphic tee and an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt. Big hoop earrings and chunky bracelets are a must. For shoes, retro sneakers are the way to go. For makeup, go full-on 80s glam with bright eyeshadow, bold blush, and lots of glitter. Tease up your hair and add some hairspray. And there you have it, the 80s pop icon, ready to rock out and steal the show. Chapter 6, the Fashionable Spy. Channel your inner secret agent with this fashionable spy costume. Start with a trench coat, black, beige, navy blue, whatever you've got. Pair it with black pants or a skirt and a black turtleneck or button-down shirt. Sunglasses are a must-have for any self-respecting spy. A sleek handbag and black leather gloves add sophistication. For makeup, go for winged eyeliner, a neutral eyeshadow palette, and a bold red lip. Style your hair in a sleek ponytail or bun. And there you have it, the Fashionable Spy, ready to take on any mission in style. And there you have it, 6 stylish and spooky Halloween costumes you can create from your own wardrobe. No need to break the bank or spend hours searching for the perfect costume. Just raid your closet and get creative. Remember, the best costumes reflect your own personal style. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on these ideas and make them your own. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the spooky season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative content. Have a hauntingly good Halloween, everyone!